This is the question most financial advisors never answer directly. Did you know your 12% raise is already gone? The raise landed on a Tuesday. He did not notice, not because he was not paying attention, because the number in his account looked right. It always looks right for a few weeks. 3 months after the raise, he ran the number. Savings rate, unchanged. Investment transfer, unchanged. The raise had arrived. The raise had disappeared. He had not made a single conscious spending decision. The money found its own way out. That mechanism has a name, and once you know it, you cannot unknow it. Series 4 built the portfolio. Automated, diversified, reviewed once a year. Series 5 tests whether it survives real life. Episode 24, The Raise. 6 life events. Same system. Same question every time. Does it hold? 6 mechanisms across this series. If you have not subscribed, this is the episode. This is Mechanism 1. You will want the rest. Most won't act on it. That's the mechanism. Back to the question, did you know your 12% raise is already gone? Here is how many other people discovered the same thing. In the 4 years from January 2000, 2000, US wages rose 21%, not 2%, 21%. In the same period, the personal savings rate did not rise. It collapsed. The raise went somewhere. The Federal Reserve publishes the US personal savings rate every month. In January 2020, it stood at 6.8%. By June 2022, the savings rate had fallen to 2.2%. That is the lowest point since 2005. A 21% increase in wages produced a 3.5-point collapse in savings. The raise did not increase savings, it increased spending. Source: Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. Personal savings rate, PSVIPVERT, 2024. This was not a US event. In 2022 and 2023, UK private sector earnings grew 7.3%. ONS quarterly sector accounts showed the household savings ratio fell to 8.9% in Q3 2022. The raise went to higher rent, higher energy, higher food, and a collection of small invisible upgrades that each felt justified at the time. That is not a flaw in the system. That is the system. The question again, did you know your 12% raise is already gone? Here is the version that kept him awake. It was not that he spent the raise, he never decided to spend it. The spending happened below the level of decision. The lifestyle adjusted. He did not adjust the lifestyle. This is the mechanism, and it has a name. Lifestyle inflation stole your raise before you noticed it, and here is exactly why that happened and what one decision prevents it. The raise is not the problem. The timing is. You can spend a raise or invest it, but once the lifestyle adjusts, reversing it takes deliberate effort. The pre-commitment must happen before the first raised paycheck lands. The window is 24 hours. That window is the answer. The wrong belief first: when I earn more, I will automatically have more to invest. Income growth produces wealth growth without any additional decisions. This is what most people assume. In 1949, economist James Duesenberry documented the Ratchet Effect. Consumption ratchets upward with income increases but does not fall back when income falls. Consumer psychology treats lifestyle upgrades as permanent. Downgrading feels like loss. The ratchet is the mechanism, the raise is the trigger. Source: James Duesenberry. Income, Saving and the Theory of Consumer Behavior. Harvard University Press. 1949. The ratchet effect is not just psychology, it is infrastructure. The mortgage market resets affordability calculations each time income rises. Lenders extend larger offers the moment earnings increase. Premium subscriptions auto-renew. Retail and restaurant algorithms time their upgrade offers to payday cycles. The timing is not accidental, it is the product of a system that profits when you spend before you save. One caveat: this fix works when the raise is genuine surplus. Before setting any standing order, run the number first, after tax, after existing commitments, after any genuine cost increases. If the raise is already absorbed by real cost growth, the fix is different. Know what you actually have before you pre-commit any of it. He got a 12% raise. He did not change a single spending decision. 3 months later, he had nothing extra. The money had found its way out before he could stop it. He did not notice until he ran the number. He recognizes what Clance would call money avoidance, the specific habit of not looking at the number so it cannot disappoint you. He looked. He ran the number. Maya steps in. Income growth rarely produces net worth growth without deliberate pre-commitment. Every increase in lifestyle spending permanently raises the baseline cost of life, and the investment gap compounds silently over decades alongside the portfolio. The fix is one standing order, set before the first raised paycheck lands, not after, before. The raise arrives. The standing order moves a fixed amount to your investment account, ISA in the UK, TFSA in Canada, super or investment account in Australia, KiwiSaver in New Zealand, before the current account balance registers the difference. The lifestyle does not adjust to what it never saw. The step people who caught this in time took: one automated transfer set before payday. The portfolio is up. The standing order ran. He did not touch it. He opens the other app, the current account. 3 months after the raise, he expects to see the difference. He is about to congratulate himself on the discipline. He checks the balance. I did everything right. The money disagreed. The 1% detail. The Ratchet Effect was documented in 1949. It predates behavioral economics by 30 years. Duesenberry was writing about post-war consumption. The mechanism has not changed. The delivery system is significantly more efficient. If the savings rate figures surprised you, the like is the signal. 1 second. It tells the algorithm to find the next person who needs this. Think of one person who mentioned their pay or savings this year. Send it to them. 2 episodes that build on this. Episode 1, Why 90% of People Never Build Wealth. Episode 5, Diversification Done Wrong. Next episode, Did you know you could keep investing through kids? One parent did not. Episode 25 is coming. Subscribe and you will be notified the moment it drops.